Hello everyone. For today's tech tip video, I will be showing you how to create custom tabs inside of SOLIDWORKS for the Command Manager. To start, we're going to right click on the Command Manager, click on Customize, and here you'll now see a bunch of other tabs and one which says New Tab. Click on New Tab, and from here we can select either one of the existing ones, but for this example, click on Empty Tab. Now we can rename it, and I'll call this one right here Custom Tab number 1, and then click OK. So now we have a blank tab right here. So our next step is we can throw in some of our icons which we're using quite often. Maybe it's the line, the rectangle, for example, and maybe I'm using the spline tool, and then maybe I'm grabbing the system options. So now all I need to do is just click OK, and now you'll notice I have a new custom tab right in here. So to add and remove or to delete this custom tab, simply right click on the Command Manager, click Customize, and now we can drag on the icons to remove them from here. Or if you no longer want this tab overall, simply right click and press delete. So the purpose of these custom tabs is maybe you want to have your uncommonly used features here, or maybe it's where you have a certain group of commands that you're using quite often and now you can sort them all in one tab. Anyways, thank you for watching this tech tip video, and subscribe to see all of our future tech tip videos.